Nice to meet you, Peter. I'm Blabina. Blah blah Blabina. O-W-L Owl. What is happening? Owl's eyes are set in position. They can't move them like we do. When they want to look around, they have to move their whole head. Their neck can rotate 270 degrees. That's almost all the way around. Am I doing it? Did I do it? Oh. Can you try? Owls are far-sighted. That means they can see really, really well, far, far away. But if the object is too close to their eyes, they need glasses. Peter is going to teach us his language.
Yes, yes. Are you ready?
Are you ready? Okay, listen. Okay. Hoo, 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 hoo. Your turn. Great. Now together. Hoo, 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 hoo.
Good job.
Thank you. One more. Listen. Oh. Hoo. Your turn. Now together.
Well done.
Yes! Thank you so much. Don't forget, you are smart, you are amazing, and you can do anything. See you next time. Blah 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 blah. Dear grown-ups, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I would love to hear from you. Bye!